If you've ever wondered whether to open a 401k, a Roth IRA, or a traditional IRA first, you're not alone, and the answer depends on a few key factors about your situation. These are the three main retirement accounts available to most Americans, and understanding each is a core part of retirement planning basics. Let's start with the 401k explained simply. This is an employer-sponsored account, meaning your company sets it up and often contributes alongside you. Currently, you can contribute over $23,000 per year to a 401k, and contributions typically come out of your paycheck before taxes, lowering your taxable income right now. Here's the part most beginners overlook. If your employer offers a matching contribution, that is essentially free money. And missing out is one of the most common retirement mistakes people make. Rule 1. Always contribute at least enough to your 401k to capture the full employer match before anything else. Now let's talk about the Roth IRA explained. You contribute money you've already paid taxes on, and your investments grow tax-free, including qualified withdrawals in retirement. For beginners earlier in their careers and currently in a lower tax bracket, the Roth IRA is often the most powerful long-term tool available. The Roth IRA contribution limit is currently $7,000 per year for those under 50, with an additional catch-up contribution allowed for those 50 and older. Higher earners may not qualify to contribute directly due to income limits. In the traditional IRA versus Roth IRA comparison, a traditional IRA offers similar contribution limits, but contributions may be tax-deductible depending on your income and whether you have a workplace plan. You pay taxes when you withdraw in retirement, making it a better fit if you expect to be in a lower tax bracket later in life. So, here's a simple framework for the 401k versus Roth IRA question. First, contribute to your 401k up to the full employer match. Second, if you qualify, work toward maxing out a Roth IRA. The tax-free growth is hard to beat. Third, if you still have money left to invest, increase your 401k contributions up to the annual limit. If your income is too high for a Roth IRA, a traditional IRA or higher 401k contributions are both solid next steps. The best retirement account for beginners is the one you actually open and consistently contribute to. Starting early, even with small amounts, makes a significant difference over time. If this breakdown helped clarify your options, subscribe for more straightforward personal finance content and like the video so others can find it too.